Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through our 2019 Scout 195 Sportfish. Starting off with the exterior of the boat, this is the optional Aristo blue hull color. We got the optional T-top, that's powder coated. Large bow cushion forward, live well beneath the helm seat, along with two rear deck jump seats. This is an upgraded 150 horsepower motor from Yamaha. Here's your live well. That's lighted and aerated. This backrest does remove to allow for additional rod storage. We've got under gunnel rod storage on both sides. Here's our helm area. We got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Plenty of space to flush mount your electronics. We do have a glove box with charging ports for your devices. This boat does have trim tabs with LED indicators. We've got 4 speakers throughout the boat, 2 midship and 2 forward. You have a larger console with more storage and headroom on the 2019 models. Cup holders and grab rails forward. This is a removable cooler seat. Batteries go beneath. And then when the cushion is not in place, you have a large casting platform and a lot of storage beneath. That's a look at our 2019 Scout 195 Sportfish. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our store's Facebook page. Thank you very much. See you soon.